Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provide in our free groups. Yes, all the signals are absolutely free. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, or you can text us on Telegram. Everything is available in the description, so go and check it out. Let's start the video. Here you can see our session started in the public group. We provided a signal on EURCAD for an upside move in the public group. Let me explain the setup. You can see an uptrend here, and there was also a moving average. That's why we provided a trade for the upside move, and this was an amazing win, as you can see. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided in the VIP group, again on EURCAD for a call side move. The logic behind this trade was that there was an uptrend, and you can see the previous red candle filled the gap of the last candle. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move. This candle gave a small error, but we were looking for entries from the moving average. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on EURUSD for a call side move. Here you can see an uptrend, and there was also a moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was another amazing win. So the session closed here, and we won 3 non-martingale trades. If you want to join us, you can text us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport and we will support you. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment down below. See you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.